Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of exploring R in bioinformatics. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about explore R in bioinformatics? Well, my friend, let me tell you, this is one of the most crucial aspects of modern research and data analysis in the biological science. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and the solution related to the bioinformatics. In the preceding video, we covered data frames in R. So now in this video, we will discuss about objects and classes in R. Okay, so we will continue from there. Okay, so if you close this RStudio, so you have to rerun all this code again. Okay, now print gene ctrl plus enter. Now we print hspd1. So this is our data frame for hspd underscore 1. So another approach we can take it to call the class. It will inform us about the data type of our specific variables. So let's use the class function. And our data frame is hspd1. We use $sign here to select a specific column like gene, amino acids, nucleotide. Okay, so I use gene and press enter, control plus enter. You can see the result is character, and also we can see the sorry we can see what actually the data is present in this particular list $g column, and we can see it is in the double quotes, so that's a character, whether it have a numeric value in it or not. So if it is in the double quotes, so the data type is character. So if we can go for the another column like amino acids, so control plus enter, and you can see here it is a numeric. And if we want to check the what actually the present in this column, so we can see all the numbers are in numeric and none of them are in double quotes. Now we take another example. Suppose we took x and do some basic operations like 13 plus 2, press enter, and we call x, so we can see it will add 25. And if we check the class of this x, so and it will say numeric. Now we can take another example. We use function here, so whatever I put in this function, so it will be turn it into a correction, whether it will be a numeric or character or string, anything. So press enter, and y is equal to, you can see in y everything is in the double quotes. Now we check the class of the y, class y, you can see character. Now I will let you show something. Okay, so we can create another variable z, this, and copy this same and run. Okay, enter and press z, enter. Okay, now we can add y plus z. You can see y plus z non-numeric argument to a binary operator. So that means if they because all the numeric values are in converted into the character, so that's why they are not able to add. But if we create y1 and z1, okay, so now y1 plus z1, you can see, now you can see y1 plus z1 is add with each other because they are not in character and they are in converted into the character. They have no numeric argument to a binary operator. Now you can also check the class of our hspd1. So you can see data dot frame, their class is data frame. Okay, one more thing you can do is you can convert your character into the numeric, where here we can take this example y as character. We can convert all this values into the character with use as dot character and we enter y. So we can check, yeah, here it's a double quotes. So now what we can do is we can use y3, a new variable, and as dot numeric, and use the y variable which is a character, which is having a character value. Okay, so now we run the y3 and you can see there is no quotation mark in there, and we can check the class of y3 and you can see it's a numeric. So you can convert from character to numeric and numeric to character with the help of as dot numeric function and dot character function. So this is it for the today. So in the next video we will discuss about models and formulas. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel for the updated videos, and see you in the next video.